What's up, y'all? It's Ariel. Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be discussing what Neville Goddard says about manifesting a specific person. But before we hop into the video, I'd like to take the time to invite you to please give this video a like. When you do so, it allows YouTube to share this video with more people. So I'd appreciate it if you did that. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I post videos every single day and you wouldn't want to miss those. Manifesting a specific person is one of the most popular topics in this entire community. What a lot of people don't know is that Neville Goddard manifested his specific person. He explained this in one of his lectures. It is recorded, so you can look it up. But when he was married to his first wife, he got to a point where he decided, hey, I don't want to be married to you anymore. But during that time in New York City, it was rather difficult to get a divorce. You had to jump through lots of hoops to make that happen. There was a new law that came into effect after that made it easier. However, him and his wife weren't on the same accord and he could not get the divorce. But he saw this other woman that he instantly knew that he wanted to marry. He even mentioned saying to himself, I'm going to marry her. She doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to marry her. But he had this circumstance in the way. How on earth was he going to get out of his divorce in order to be with this woman? Well, he relied on himself. He went to sleep that very night in the assumption that he was married to this woman that he wanted to be with. Now, in his physical reality, he was still married to his first wife. But he went to sleep in the feeling that he was married to who he wanted to be married to. What ended up happening is shortly after, a bridge of incidents unfolded to where he was called down to the courthouse because his then wife had gotten into some trouble. Neville spoke on her behalf and the judge let her go. Because his then wife was so thankful for what Neville had done despite their personal disagreements that they'd been having, she was like, hey, you know what? I'll sign the divorce papers. And he went and got the paperwork, and he was a free man. And he got married to the woman that he wanted to be married to. So this sequence of events is quite fascinating here. His wife, his first wife, got in trouble for shoplifting. That's why she ended up in court. Neville Goddard had every opportunity to speak against this woman since he wanted the divorce. And he wouldn't be looked at negatively if he did that. And yet he chose to defend her. She got off, and he got what he wanted, his divorce. What an amazing bridge of incidents. And there's no doubt that all this happened as a result of him going to sleep, feeling as if he had what he wanted. Guys, I tell you this story so that you can understand that circumstances do not matter. They don't matter when you're trying to manifest money, and they don't matter when you're trying to manifest your specific person. I don't care what happened. I don't care what they said. You can manifest a specific person, period. You know why? Because facts can change. You know what I mean? Today I have on a green shirt, tomorrow I have on a red shirt. It's still a fact that I have on a green shirt today, but I can put on a red shirt tomorrow. You see what I'm saying? It's all about what you choose. What are you going to meditate on? What world are you going to live in? The only thing that you don't know is how long it's going to take. Neville mentioned that all this took 7 days for him. It could take 2 weeks for you, a few months, a year. I don't know. But what I do know is somehow, some way, you're going to get what you imagined. And I understand that it can be difficult to ignore circumstances. I get it. We're humans. We have emotions. But please know that in order to get what you want, you have to change your beliefs about your situation. And the best way to do that is repetition. I advise you to take out a notepad and write exactly how you want your relationship to go. Exactly what you want in your specific person, what kind of behaviors that you want them to exhibit. Write down what you want to feel like. Maybe some behaviors that you want to change about yourself. Write it down in detail over and over again and meditate on that. And don't just write it, but feel the feelings of already having it. And it should feel amazing. If you can control your emotions, if you can control what you react to, you win the game. You can have whatever you want in life. This computer between your ears, when you can learn to control that and make it work for you as it should, there's nothing that you can't experience. Any situation that you want to create in your reality, you can create it. And I really want to just pump this in your brain. Circumstances do not matter. Current facts do not matter because they can change tomorrow. Make yourself feel how you would feel if you had it. Do what Neville did. Okay? Fall asleep in the assumption that you are with your specific person, that you are blissfully married, that you have that amazing relationship. Do it. Because when you see the fruits of that, when you actually reap the rewards, you'll get it. You'll understand, wow, I did this. I'm so powerful. Wake up every single day. Before you do anything, remind yourself of how powerful you are. Y'all, we are gods. There's no reason why we should be around here moping and sad and fearful and feeling down on ourselves. All the power we need to manifest our dream lives, it's all within. There's a wonderful Bible verse out there that says, "Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen." If you don't have faith, you might as well hang up the towel. Because faith is your evidence. That is your evidence that you can manifest what you want. Faith is what keeps you going when everything in the outside world says you should stop and you should give up. choose faith. All right, that's all I got for today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.